Okay, so I'm making slime. It's turning out okay. I have like this slime right here. I'm making this slime. This is going as a present to my grandma. Perfect. Oh. That's what happens when you make slime. Okay, there's like some left like at the top. But like, oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna cap it. Then we gotta add the shaving cream. Okay. A lot of shaving cream, but not too much. Huh? Okay. A little more. Okay, right there. Perfect. Okay, now I need to just get some more activator in. Okay, so now all I gotta do is mix it. Throw the activator away. Ooh, turning into a nice color. Well, you don't really see the color yet. Like, look at this. You don't really see it. I've never mixed like this before. Yeah, put it in there. Ooh. Oh my god, my hair. I don't like my hair right now. Okay. Once you're done like mixing it, it's like a good color. Like, look at this color. It's a pretty good color. I like it. So then you can add in your activator. I added like little teaspoons at a time just to make sure that there's a calculated amount in. I'm just gonna add 3 right now. I added like 2 at the last one, but it didn't work out, so. Oh my god. This is hard to make slime. Mix, not make. Make looks easy. Like YouTube and stuff. Or I don't like getting messy. I'm just gonna pour it in. Don't want the spoon falling in. Okay. Whoa. It's a lot of it. I'm going to hand this on. Oof. Just gonna put this down right here. Let's get back to mixing. Ooh, this is like really, really soft. Ooh. This is so soft. It feels like just shaving cream. I don't know why. This is really soft. Like, I want this one. I don't know which one to give to Grandma right now because there's all good ones. That.